Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me the complete Instant Pot Cookbook, 1,000 recipes for your pressure cooker. This is what the front cover looks like. Got overhead shots of all these good foods. This is a large paperback book. That is the spine. Here's the back side. You can pause to read the description. Open it up. You got your table of contents separated by chapters. There are a lot of foods included in here. Whole variety of stuff, desserts, pork, vegetables, other kinds of meat. And here are all your recipes. There's a lot of them. The only downside to this book is that it looks like there are no pictures included for the recipes. It's just lists and lists of text. But if that works for you, then go for it. It's kind of hard to fit 1,000 recipes in one book and still have pictures included. But yeah, I'm sure this book will work for someone. And you can bookmark the pages if you want, highlight them. There's a whole lot here. Just pick what you want and enjoy. Skip to the end. You got your index included, which is also helpful. And that's the book.